Hey everybody, this is Wakefield from True Online Wealth. And what I want to talk to you about is the most famous traffic exchange on the planet, and it's called EasyHits4u. I can't remember how many people in EasyHits4u. I know it's the most, more than any other traffic exchange. I can't even remember, but I'm sure it's over 1 million members if I'm not mistaken. This traffic exchange right here produces boatloads of traffic. I think it's provided close to almost 4 billion hits in its 15 year of an existence. So it just goes to show you the power of this traffic exchange. This is just like any other, traffic exchange, except for, I mean, it's more popular or whatnot. And all you do is you just, you just surf sites and get credit. You know what I mean? So, I mean, that's just pretty much how it works. Uh, like I say, you see right here, it's been around since 2003, and it's 2018, so that's 15 years, and you know, it's just a place that you will love. So, uh, you know, uh, I got over 118 connections that I need to go through, and I kind of been MIA for a minute because I've still been using, but I was using another account. I just finally been able to get back in this account because I had a bad email. I mean, I got a good email, but the emails just don't go to this specific type of box. My email was blocking this because I set up this like years ago, but now I'm back in my account. The email finally notified me of it, and EasyHits4u caught a hold to it, and I changed my email. If you sign up for this, I recommend you sign up with a Gmail account. I had a Hotmail and it was blocking it, even though Hotmail or Outlook now, because Outlook took over Hotmail. And I prefer that you sign up with a Gmail, but you can sign up with any accounts you want. But I don't know if it's going to block anything or not, but that's why I'm saying that. But yeah, if you want boatloads of traffic for free, all you do is start surfing and get credits, and then you take those credits and add your website. See, it won't let me surf because I hadn't added a website because I just got back in this account. But also, if you want to buy traffic, you can buy credits, you can buy banner impressions. Uh, like I say, it's no other traffic exchange more famous than EasyHits4u. I'm here to tell you. So if you really want some traffic to your site, yeah, here you go. 1,478,192 members. And I want to see you find a traffic exchange with that many members. So, but yeah, it's free to join. And if you want to be able to do more, you can go over here and upgrade. You see, I got a free account right here. I'm so glad to be back in this account too, because I was wondering what was going on, and I'm gonna get things rocking and rolling and stuff set up for this one. Because I've been using my other one. You can tell I haven't used it in a while. I would have been done added all these connections. I already got 118. I got 9 more to add. So, but yeah, man, this is free. And this is a way to get eyeballs on all your offers and squeeze pages and landing pages. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a link below. It's no use to keep talking on and on about it. Then I'm gonna put a link to my blog below that so you can see what I got going on and what traffic sources and business opportunities that I'm doing. And make sure you most definitely subscribe to this channel from YouTube and click that notification bell and get signed up with Easy Hits for You today. Take care.